We are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2015 Suzuki GSX-S750. This naked street fighter sport bike just arrived with only 15,000 miles. Super cool. Fuel injected inline 4-cylinder. Wait till you hear that KO lightning exhaust. Fender eliminator. This bike is so cool. Come on by, make your Suzuki Street Fighter dreams come true for just $69.99. Wow, that's probably too low. We have finance, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.ContraCostaPowersports. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.